everyone. I'm Tyler Slade. I'm with Untapped Learning. I'm at our Blue Sports Stable location in Superior. Here's our main area. This is where a lot of our students that like a little more noise and a little bit more interaction like to hang out and get their work done. This right here is our movement space. We often start our sessions out here catching up on the week, and then we'll put some movement breaks in throughout the session. We use this time to get a brain break so that we can refocus and get the most out of our time. But sometimes we'll also study out here while we're taking our breaks. Here's our homework center. Students in the program can sign up for this as much as they would like throughout the week. We have math and writing tutors in here. We also get students who like to come in just so they can have a workplace outside of their house, or if they need a little bit more accountability and structure to get through their work. This is one of our classrooms where we run our mentoring sessions. Students meet with their mentor each week for an hour to create a plan for a week and work on routines and habits to build their executive functioning skills. Students are paired with mentors based on interest and personality so that they can make sure that they get the most from their time during their sessions and it's an enjoyable time when they're at Untapped.